Access your legal and identity protection benefits with our easy-to-use Legalshield and IDshield mobile apps. With the Legalshield mobile app, you can easily request a consult directly from the home screen. You can also call your dedicated provider law firm directly, view your legal requests, and plan features. When requesting a consult, you can choose a legal category from which you need help. If you're not sure, don't worry, there's an option to help you choose. As you continue, you can add information, upload a photo or document, and then schedule a time to talk with your lawyer. You can choose to receive a call within 4 business hours or schedule a date and time that works best for you. Provide your contact information, review your request, and click Submit. It's that easy. Now let's review the IDshield mobile app. The home screen will show alerts for potential risks that need your review, along with your credit score, which is updated monthly. You can also easily review your monitored information or call one of our identity theft specialists to discuss any identity or privacy concerns. Dark Web Monitoring. Here, you can add your personally identifiable information, or PII, such as email addresses, phone numbers, credit and debit card numbers, login credentials, and more. If you enrolled in IDshield's family plan, you have the option to monitor your dependent child's PII. Social media accounts. Add your social media logins for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube, and receive alerts in the event that any of your profiles are hacked. With the IDshield family plan, dependent children's social media accounts can be monitored too. Financial account monitoring. Keep watch over your financial accounts by linking them to the app. You can also set specific thresholds to receive alerts that exceed your chosen amounts. Sex offender monitoring. This feature allows you to monitor the area near a specified address, for instance your home, for registered sex offenders who live or move into the area. The app will notify you if any new registered sex offenders are added. By going back to the home screen and navigating to the top right corner, you can access even more features, including shortcuts to alerts, account management, and customer support. With Legalshield and IDshield, you have the power to access real-time, affordable legal and identity theft protection right from the palm of your hand.